from Trondheim, Norway, and that is Trondheim if you didn't know. Hello everybody, YouTubers. This is me again, melshaves or Kurt, and we have a new shave review today. Let me wet my face. There, bring moisture to the face. And if you didn't know, I'm from Norway. We have for you today a review of the Zingari Man, a barrel proof bbs.live. There, I don't have any bourbon right now, it's too early in the morning. So we have our ladder whipped up there in our coconut bowl, and it hasn't cracked so much yet, so maybe it will last. Not the best laddering bowl, but it works. And we're using my potty brush. So let's get cracking, shall we? How are you doing? Sunday today, right? A little bit more ladder. Yeah, you can pick up the scent. Maybe the bourbon sticks out even a little bit more now. I would say it's a medium scent strength. Medium, maybe a little bit below. But it's not weak, it's not overpowering. Medium, in my opinion. No problems with the ladder. So there, as you can see. Lots of yogurt, if you like. So, first time using Zingari Man and the barrel proof. It's a really soft soap, or if you like, crop. So I just used the ice cream scoop, because I don't want the ladder on the top there and you get all slurred and messy. So that's that. That's my why I do this method. We're going to use a ever sharp hydromatic from Chick. Really nice golden color, like the gold membership. It has some instructions, and it comes with the original blades and so on. Little bit cracked case. Well, it works. It's a regular Chic blade, and on this ones you can open here and you can rinse after you shave. Been a while since I used the Chic. And here you don't have two sides, so rinse after each pass. Not that you need to do it, as you can see. Ergonomic candle. Yeah, I think it's a medium sun strength. Not weak, but not super strong or overpowering. Just good. What you want in a shaving soap. It's not always the performance or the glide. Always, sometimes of course you want good glide and everything, but you also want a good scent, at least for me, in my opinion. It's important as well. There, that was the first pass. Yes, the scent sticks out a little bit more now, and I'm not sure, maybe it's the oak. Let's see, oak wood that sticks more out. Let me just tap the label. I don't know, but I don't know if they're waterproof. I hope. Beautiful label. So maybe it's a mix, or it's the oak wood that sticks out now that I can smell. Not so very strong sandalwood. Right, and ladder flying everywhere. Flying everywhere today. Made it very wet. And this is a very floppy brush too, though. Yeah, it smells really good. It's definitely a keeper for me. This soap. Really good glide. And sheen to it, a ladder. So Zingari, man, top notch. Definitely recommend it. So maybe I will see if I will buy one of their soaps in a later time. For the moment, I do have enough soil shaving soaps, and I even made my own, or melt and pour, that is. Yeah, really good scent. I think maybe the bourbon comes through a little bit too. And as far as I could hear, they used the real stuff. What kind of bourbon I wouldn't know, but it do have a really good scent. And look at that ladder. So I want to tell a little bit short story today. This used to be one of my favorite magazines here in Norway. It's We Man, and it had like girly pics and everything. A little bit information they have about the Chinese submarines that come here close to Norway. Like you can see, they're showing up at our coast, Chinese. And about a little bit about submarines. But any girly pictures, I have a little bit about Marilyn Monroe. There isn't any girl pictures I can see in here. So, oops, let's hide that. Only that one old one with Marilyn Monroe, but I've seen her before. And that wasn't much news, so a little bit disappointed. Yes, maybe I should have bought Playboy instead. I haven't read one of those in ages though. But I definitely can say I liked this magazine more in the 90s, and back then I subscribed. It's not like a pornographic magazine, but they have a little bit semi-nude or girls. So a little bit disappointing, I think. Even though it has many good stories or reports or news or whatever you want to call it. In the old days I used to buy the porn magazines, but usually I bought them in Denmark because they were a lot better than here in Norway. But I haven't bought one of those now for ages. They used to have like a Girl of the Week or something like that in this magazine. So yeah, a little bit disappointed. Maybe I got a weeper there. Our baby is crying. Hope I don't have to come on and help. Yeah, really good scent and performance. Almost. Ouch. Good soap. And I didn't use it to pre-shave today. Maybe I should hold my fingers like this when it's so floppy. So I'm looking forward to trying the recovery splash or balm or what it is. Yeah, we change the diapers. We make the milk breastfeeding too. Busy days. Luckily we had my sister come over yesterday and she took the baby for a trip so we could relax or rest, take a nap. I know. That was nice. How is your Sunday? Do you have plans? You going out for a family dinner or something? Let's see. There. Nice. Very nice ladder. I really like the scent. It's a little bit more of a mixed scent than just one or two already standing out, I think. Almost tasted the ladder there. And it was kind of good. So, Nate and Mel, top-notch soap. I heard their first ones weren't so strong in the scent. I would say this is a really good scented soap. But I will still say it's medium in scent strength. Perhaps a little bit more. Even though the recovery balm seems to be stronger. There. Ah, really close and close. Sometimes I get even closer with this on my neck. Almost nothing. Let me rinse off. I'll be right back. Close shave, everybody. BBS. BBS Live. So that's how you open, and the blade just hangs there. It doesn't fall out or anything. No problem. Very nice. You can get all the soap, scum, and everything out. Just let it sit like that for a while in the hydromatic. And there's my coconut bowl, still standing up. I think I saw one crack here, a little bit there, but it's not leaking at least. It holds water. And the putty brush, annual ring, a little bit like so. Maybe you can comb it out if needed. So, Zingari Man, barrel proof, top notch, good soap, medium strong sand, in my opinion, but good enough, more than good enough, no problems. You get the sand out, it's almost like a Tootsie Roll or something like that. Similar, not same, I'm not saying it's same. But so like a similar scent or something. I don't know. That was what I was thinking of. So the barrel proof, the duo, recovery. Let's see. Here's my glasses. Still have the lights on. Bourbon sandalwood oakwood, recovery splash. It's alcohol free and sure to please, and will leave your freshly shaven face feeling refreshed and cared for without leaving it dry, dull, unpleasantly tight. The recovery splash is more lightweight than our other post-care products, but never fear. The expert, what is it? The expert blends of oils and esters that make our product so hydrating, long-lasting, and clean feeling are in as healthy supply here as ever. The direction for use: apply desired amount to skin, suit freshly shaven area. Discontinued, blah blah blah. Made in Evansville. Is that Indiana? I'm not sure. It says EM there, but so let's shake it up a little bit. Ooh, yeah, it's very thin in like a milky. Ooh, milky kind of way, as you can see. Let's see. Almost like like baby milk. Yeah, I like it. It's good. Take a little bit more. It's very milky. Ooh. Lovely scent. This is definitely a good scent. So I like it. Zingari Man. Oh yeah, you can pick up the little bit different bourbon, oakwood, and sandalwood. So the duo, definitely a keeper, top. And I hope you enjoy the shave, and we will see you again soon. Take care everybody, and may you all have solid shaves. Bye now.